got to get a look at some of the view.
Oh, yes.
Remember, I'm a fucking Minnesotan.
Oh yeah, they're not.
So you probably don't see this far ever, do you?
Fuck no.
Don't worry, we'll edit that out. You'll have to throw in some really awesome music here, dude, because my music is terrible.
Yeah, I don't have any good music.
Oh. Hi, Scott.
Alrighty. As you can see, I am no longer in Minnesota. Took a road trip. I'm hanging out with BarnOwl Project.
What's up?
Just finished this AR just before we came down here. And now it's time to put this, put her through its paces and see if this crappy Tasco Red Dot works.
And why do you have a crappy Tasco Red Dot on there?
Because you told me to put it on.
Oh, okay.
You made me. Forced me to put it on.
I literally took that guy, who's twice my size, kicked his ass and put a red dot on his gun.
Well, he tried. Brand new AR. My range at home still got, you know, a couple feet of snow on it. Let's go hot.
You hit it on the first shot. You heard that, right?
I thought I heard it.
100% you hit it on the first shot. See if you can bear down on that.
Hammering it.
Yeah. I'm dead serious.
You can't be serious.
I'm dead serious.
I just took the damn thing and stuck it on there.
If I was lying to you, man, I would tell you that is... Just so you know, I thought your muzzle brake was loud.
How is it?
It's stupidly loud.
But it matches my handguard, dude.
I'm pretty sure it's janking out the cameras over there.
Well, I'd say it functions perfect. Well, almost. One more thing we got to do with a new AR. Mag dump.
Are you seeing the fireball out the end of that thing? Scott, you're gonna go back and watch that video, man.
Yeah.
The amount of dirt coming off of that railroad tie in front of you.
Oh, there we go. My new AR. This one I built just for me. It won't be going anywhere. And I might have to keep that damn Tasco on there. At least for it keeps loosening up though, so we'll have to Loctite that stuff. But
is it crap if it works?
Yeah, the question is it crap if it works?
Well, I suppose we really got to test it, don't we? What?
Does it still work now is the question. I get my ears in. That's how I test things.
Light's still on.
Light's still on. Look at the fireball out of this thing.
Is it hitting?
It's gotta be. I don't see any splash. Yeah, it's tearing right through it. It's hit back behind it.
Oh.
Look at that fireball.
Oh, God.
How'd we do it? 350.
I couldn't hear.
I wasn't paying attention, to be honest.
All right. So the piece of shit Tasco Red Dot, I have to give it a thumbs up. I hate to do it, but there you go. Still loosens up a little bit, but a little Loctite will fix that. What do you say? We'll be back with you later. We got more shooting to do.